Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Salmanur and I'm here to represent the project which is developing of a metal detector on the key principles of electromagnetic induction. So we will start by showing you the projector, which is basically made up of transistors, resistors and capacitors along with battery, potentiometer and copper coils. So, there were a lot of problem statements which we had to face, which included designing of a metal detector using such basic components like transistors, so and so. The creation of a stable circuit needed with frequency enough to be disrupted and the proximity of the metal. The effective conversions and the disruptions into the clear output signal is important as well. So there were a lot of problems which we had to face because we had to design a metal detector using such simple and basic components.
The working principle of this metal detector is electromagnetic induction. When a metal is brought near the coil, it disturbs the magnetic field of the coil. An EMF will induced in the coil, and this induced EMF is detected by the circuit. The circuit detects this change and trigger a response which will turn on the buzzer.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Yasser and I'll continue to explain our model and our project with using transistors, diodes and simple circuitry. In this metal detector, we have used transistors as switches with an on state and off state, where depending on our variable voltage that we'll provide with potentiometer and capacitors, the transistor will work and the metal detector will function. Now, metal detector has many applications. It is used in security, in archaeology, and in other industries. This model is very helpful and beneficial for understanding of our semiconductor project, and for that purpose we have chosen this as our project. We will demonstrate our project and show you how it works. This is a 9-volt battery. This is a copper coil, buzzer, capacitors, transistor, a 5K potentiometer. All of them are connected using jumper wires in a breadboard. Now, first of all, I'll connect the battery. As you can see, whenever we move the metal detector near the copper coil, electromagnetic induction takes place, and because of this induction using copper coil, our buzzer connected to the copper coil is turned on and it functions and it starts making this sound, alerting us of the presence of metal. Metal is brought near the vicinity of the coil. It will react in the same way and detect the presence of metal using the buzzer and transistor and other circuit components. The result will be the production of this sound, and this sound will alert the user or any other nearby person of the detection of metal. So this is all for our metal detector project, and I hope you all enjoyed it, and there is some learning involved as well, and the learning will definitely continue in the future as well.